Hello, my name is Matthew Fletcher, and this is my credit task for a blinky light tutorial. For this, you'll need a Particle Argon, or any other particle device really, some jumper wires, an LED and a resistor, as well as a breadboard and obviously the connector. So for this, my red wire here is running to the right channel, my right positive channel of my breadboard, going into the 3-volt output of my argon. The black is attached to ground and is attached to the left channel of my breadboard. I'm using D6 here as well as the D7 LED on the argon board. You don't have to use this. I've used this mainly just to show when my name has finished, and then it's flashing a few times so I know that it's restarted. So I've got my D6 connected here. This is running up this channel right here into my LED, and then to run back, it's running through this transistor to my negative. So that's my circuit. It's coming through here into my LED, and then I've got my resistor going to my ground, back up here into my ground. So I've just made it a really simple circuit, really easy to see. If we have a look at the code that I have initialized LED1 and LED2 as D6 and D7. This isn't needed, but I just did it for the ease of coding. And I've also set up my dots and my dashes. So by default, I have digital write line for LED 1 and 2 to high with a 2 millisecond delay. So delay 200 semicolon. Then I have my digital write to LEDs 1 and 2 to low. So after 0.2 of a second, it will go from high on to low. If you look down here, I've done the same thing, exactly the same. Digital write 1 and 2 high, and then to low. But the difference is this delay. For my dot, seeing as I want my dots to be closer together and my dashes to be further apart, or I want my dashes to be on for longer, I have increased this to 700. So that a dash is like dash, and a dot is dot. You'll see this when I've run the code. So I've done this inside voids. Void dot, digital high, low, 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 and a delay of 5 in between each dot and dash. Done the same here with a delay of 500. I've set my pin modes for LED 1 and LED 2. Conversely, I could have just put D6 and D7, but because I've initialized them here, I use it throughout my code. And then all I have to do is put in the subsequent dashes and dots. And in between them, I put a delay. So if we look over here, because my name's Matt, I have a dash for M, which correlates to my initial dash here. And then I have a delay of 7 seconds. So you can see how it's easily broken up. Dash, delay, dot dash, which is my A, dot dash, and then dash, break, dash. And then I have a little bit of code, which is all this confusing stuff down here, which will just flash my D7 light a few times so I know that my program has run and that it's running through the second cycle, because this will inevitably, this won't stop. I have no conditions in here to stop, so this will just keep looping and flashing my name. So yeah, I've just had my dots and my dashes predefined, so I can just go dash, and for anyone, this is what I've gone by. So M, dash, A, dot dash. So I could do any of these. I could do numbers, I could do any of these. All I would have to do is come to my IDE and change my dots and my dashes. So if we have a look here, this has started already. I'll wait for it to end. You'll see that it'll blink a matter of times there. Now it will go dash, dot, dash, and it'll repeat with this little blue light. Bop. There we go. And it will keep going. Dash, dot, dash. So this will not stop. It will just continue to go because it's in this void loop. So that is my tutorial. So just to reiterate, I've initialized my LEDs, I've made my dot here, I've made my dash here, I've set up my pins to output, so I've updated the pin modes, and then in my loop I've made my name. Dash dash delay dot dash delay dash delay dash, which is map in Morse code. Thank you for watching. Have fun.